This is the Goat Power Bikes King Goat. And there's something really awesome about this bike that I want to share with you. And this is with just the stock controller still. I don't have the new controller yet, but I want to show you this because I think a lot of you guys are really going to like this feature. In order for me to show you this, I'm first going to unhook this kickstand sensor, but you won't necessarily have to do this, but I'll show you why here in a second, why I'm doing this. All right, now I'm going to power the bike on. And first of all, I'm going to show you how fast the free spinning speed is of this bike. That's one reason why I unhooked that kickstand sensor. And here's our free spinning speed. Wow, I don't know if you saw that, but before I put it down, it went all the way up to 102. Crazy fast. Anyway, that's not what I want to really show you here. But you see it's going full power right now, right? Now, see, if you get into the unfortunate situation where you get pulled over by the cops, this is all you got to do. You click this power button 3 times quick, just like that. Appears like it does nothing, right? But watch this. Bam! Now we're capped at 20 miles an hour. Very cool. Very awesome job, Goat Power Bikes, to do that. So you can quickly drop your bike down to 20 miles an hour. So if, like I said, if you do get pulled over, you could show them, hey man, I can only go 20. This is a class 2 bike. But now I'm going to show you how to unlock it again, so you can unlock your speed. And this is the same process you will go through when you first get the bike to unlock your speed. You're going to hit your plus and minus. You can see that display, but we're going to go down to speed password, and here we're going to put in the 4 zeros. All right, now we're back in there again. So now we're going to go down to mode, and we're going to go down to normal mode. All right, then we'll go up here and we'll go to speed limit. Check our speed limit now, and you'll see now it's back to 100%. So as you can see, back up to full speed again. So if you want one of these awesome King Goats, please check out my link down in the description, along with my coupon code WOMINGRIDER, and please check out my initial review and stay tuned for any other quick tips I have for this bike. I will post those as well, and I will be making future videos on it, especially after I get the new controller, and plan on making a full review of it. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.